Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Me and my son Mohamed Mukhtar would like to say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. What would you like to say, Mohamed?
So if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. Please comment down below please. Comment down below. Hit the like button. Don't forget to turn the notifications so that you can always watch our videos all the time.
And if you are and you already subscribed, please share and comment it and below, yeah, as you like. So what would you like to say today?
So today
Where are you now?
Right now we're at the park where it's like it has lake and the park is right behind us over there.
Okay, you want to show them the lake?
Yeah, and this is where you might want to see what's going on. Look here, there's so many dogs that eating the seed that is left on the ground. Including there's rats that are scared. Look, Dolly.
Dolly also, it's not scared of Dolly, right?
Yeah, but look. So you know when I was 2 years old, my mom and dad used to bring me here to this park and also where the small and the dogs were as well. I had so much fun when I was a baby.
Karam Mohamed.
You can see over here, through the cars. I just love this thing. Look how much cars there are.
This is the highway.
So fast.
It's so fast. It is so fast. Oh, it's so scary, right?
Yeah, look, that's scary, but so fun.
Yeah. And the car are running fast. The drivers are driving fast, yeah? And over there is Wimbledon. Yeah, you can see. maanta waa kan viewyaasha meelaha ugu fiican khatar baa idin soo duubeynaya.
Okay, so today my dad took me to go to places somewhere and I am happy. We took me to McDonald's to get what we call, which is took us to the park. Right now where I am is on a bridge. I'm on a bridge where lots of cars are on the highway. You might want to look at it. It seems so scary for me. Oh my God! So exciting. So I just need to find my backwards. Anyway, I have it to So me and my dad were on a bridge on a highway.
Yes, just we recording today too, guys, on a highway. We would like to see how's the highway is going on.
Yep, you might
like
want to
see right,
see the cars that are coming on.
The camera is flying. Wow. Oh, the camera is flying. Look up, Mohamed, look up. You like this girl?
Yes,
Again, the camera is
I want to see what's going on.
Look.
We're going down.
Yeah.
Now we're going up.
Yes, up and down, and we do keep going like this. No, keep going like this. Keep going all cameras round and round. Oh, yes. And then here. What's that? The thing is shaking, yeah? Yeah, Mohamed.
Put the car. We have a poster over there on that. Yeah, pool. You might also want to see.
Again here.
Mamma mia! Just quickly, so sad.
Come on. Not like that.
hope you're going to enjoy this video anyway. Just don't forget if you so I would like to end this video today on program right here. Just make sure you're new to this channel. Subscribe. Please comment down below. Hit the like button. Don't forget to turn notifications on everybody. And hit the bell. Notification is the bell. Goodbye.